Hi, I'm Ben from Hayes Products. Today we're having a look at our heavy duty ripper with 80mm pipe layer. We have 3 rippers with pipe layers in the range, starting from the medium duty, then onto the heavy duty, and then the extra heavy duty. So all different specifications, so just refer to the spec sheet on the website for that. They all come with a solid steel billet shank, RHS frame through here, braced with a decent wall thickness. After 16 years of development, we've got it spot on, nice and strong. Ripper tooth, replaceable as it should be, and as always we carry spare parts for all of our implements, so we're always in stock. Today we've got a job to do connecting 2 water troughs in the paddock here. We're going to be using 1-inch pipe, and from there we'll go on and lay some larger pipe as well. This 80mm pipe layer will be compatible with up to 50mm OD pipe. And you can see the amount of lift that you're going to require on your tractor's 3-point linkage. This one will require from the balls of your lower links to the ground 780mm. We do have rippers that only require 280 for the medium duty. So let's get cracking and we'll join some pipe. Just closing over the hole now, using the weight of the tractor just to help seal that off. Okay, now we've successfully run our 1-inch pipe from the 2 troughs, ready to connect. We're going to run another pipe through the ground, 1.5-inch rural poly, which has a 43mm outside diameter. So if that's the pipe you're using, yeah, great option for the 80mm pipe layer. Now the pipe's laid, we're going to remove the pipe layer and rip some drainage. Last job for the day, we're going to rip some rabbit warrens. So we have quite a few problems with the rabbits here. We're quite close to the trees unfortunately, so a little bit harder for demonstration purposes, but let's get to it. Okay, I hope you enjoyed our demonstration today. If you have any more questions, feel free to go to our website, hayesproducts.com.au. Once you're on there, you'll find our email and phone number, and yes, we still do answer the phone, old-fashioned service. Whatever you'd like to ask, we freight 5 days a week to every state at competitive rates. Just let us know what you're after. Spare parts, of course, we have them, whether it's this implement or any other that we carry in the range, we support our product. Thanks for watching.